Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Android air tracker on the market, the Telylou AirTag for Android. If you're looking for a reliable Bluetooth tracker designed specifically for Android devices, this 4-pack of smart tracking tags is exactly what you need. Right out of the box, these trackers are compatible with almost all Android phones, except for iOS and Huawei devices. That means if you're running Android 10 or above, you can easily set these up and start tracking your essentials in no time. The Telylou AirTags work seamlessly with Google's Find My Device app, making it simple to locate your keys, luggage, backpacks, wallets, or any other valuable items. You won't need any additional subscriptions or unfamiliar apps cluttering your phone. Just use the trusted Google app you already know. One of the standout features of these Android trackers is their long-lasting battery life. Each AirTag comes with a CR2032 battery that lasts up to an entire year. Even if you leave your tracker outdoors, it's designed to keep functioning reliably for a long time. So you don't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries or losing connection at crucial moments. The device supports both lost mode and sharing mode. This means if you misplace an item with the tracker attached, you can activate lost mode to display your custom contact info to anyone who finds it, increasing the chances of a safe return. Sharing mode lets you link the tracker with family or friends, allowing multiple people to help locate the item if needed, a great feature for peace of mind and added security. Privacy is a big concern with tracking devices, and Telylou takes it seriously. The data sent through Google's Find My network is encrypted and anonymous, ensuring that your location history and personal information are never stored or accessible by Google or any third party. This way, you can track your belongings securely without sacrificing your privacy. Connecting the AirTag is very straightforward. After downloading the Google Find My Device app, just power on the tracker and bring it close to your Android phone. A pairing window automatically pops up, and following the on-screen instructions will have your tracker ready to use in moments. In terms of design, these trackers come in a sleek black color and are lightweight, so they won't add bulk to your belongings. The package dimensions are compact, measuring just a bit over 3 inches across and under half an inch thick, making them unobtrusive yet highly effective. To sum it up, the Telylou Android AirTag 4-pack offers a perfect balance of reliability, ease of use, battery longevity, and strong privacy protection. Whether you need to keep an eye on your keys, luggage, or even backpacks, these trackers paired with Google Find My Device app provide a comprehensive solution tailored for Android users. That wraps up our review of the best Android air tracker available today. If you're an Android user looking for an efficient, secure, and easy-to-use tracking device, this product is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest product reviews. See you in the next video.